And next topic, causes for increase in government expenditure. What are the main important causes? Means population growth, defense expenditure, government subsidies, debt servicing, development project, urbanization, industrialization, increase in grants and aids to state. In these are all the main important points comes under the causes for increase in government expenditure. Next topic what we are going to discuss today, public revenue. Public means government, revenue means they are receiving certain important revenue. Clear? And how the government they can receive the revenue? The main important source of revenue to government is a tax. Clear? That is the thing. Classification of public revenue. The classification of public revenue can be classified into two important things. First one tax and second one non-tax revenue. You people know very well what is the meaning of tax. Meaning of tax or what is tax? It is very important thing. Part B carry 2 marks. Without this question, no. Each and every time we are not having the question paper without this question. So this question, what is a tax, or write the meaning of tax. It is very important. Listen very carefully. Tax is a compulsory contribution made by general public to the government. What is the thing? Tax is a compulsory contribution. Whether we are willing or not willing, we have to pay. Clear? Tax is a compulsory contribution made by general public to government. That is the thing, tax. And here the tax can also be classified into two important things. First one direct tax and second one indirect tax. What are the main important general characteristics of tax? If a tax means what is the main important procedures and things followed. What is the nature? What is the characteristics? Means a tax is a compulsory payment made by individual taxpayer to the government. That is the first point. There is no quid pro quo. For example, rich persons they are paying more tax and they are getting more benefit. No, they are having more wealthy resources, so in that only they are receiving more profit. In that percentage they are paying the tax to the government, and from that hand the government they are taking, from the rich man hand they are taking the excess wealth in the form of tax, and they can also utilize it for below poverty line people in the name of economic welfare activities. So there is not direct connection between the taxpayer and the tax benefit. Clear? That is the thing, quid pro quo. Tax involves sacrifice to taxpayer. They have to sacrifice certain important profit in the form of tax. Tax is not a fine or penalty for breaking law. We are not following any rules and laws and regulations. The government they are not imposing this one. It is a compulsory contribution made by general public. Clear? Tax revenue sources. What are the main important tax revenue sources? Means income tax, corporate tax, sales tax, surcharge, and last one cess. Income tax means you people know mainly depends upon the income of the people. They have to pay the tax. Corporate tax means it is a tax collected from the company's profits. The companies they are paying the tax. Sales tax means it is nothing but sales when the production and from the manufacturers it will be paid. And next one, surcharge. On additional charge or payment, the surcharge is also takes place. Next one, cess means it is a main important tax imposed especially on education. That is the thing, CES is very important. Non-tax revenue. The government revenue other than tax, it is also known as non-tax revenue. What are the concepts comes under non-tax revenue? Means fees, fine, earnings from public enterprises, special assessment of betterment levy, gifts, grants and aids, and last one, escheats. What is the thing? Fees. You people know very well. Charge paid by the government for rendering certain important services. For example, passport issue pandradhukku, license, driving license issue pandradhukku, we have to pay certain important fees. Clear? Fine. We are not abide the rules and regulations. We are not obeying the rules and laws and regulation. At that time we have to penalize. That is a fine. Earnings through public enterprises. Government also get revenue from certain important government enterprises also. Special assessment of betterment levy. If any one area, the government or any one of the private people, they can start at industries, what will happen? That area land, per square feet land, it will be shoot up automatically. That is the thing, special assessment of betterment levy. Gives grants and aids for any sick industrial units, gives grants and aids, it is received by that particular industry. Last one, escheats. Escheats means it is nothing but if any one of the general public, any one person, they are died after they are died, after their death, they are not having any properties of person died without any legal hire. They are not having particular person means at the time the government they can take over all that particular person's property. That concept we can call it as it is a escheats. And remaining things we will see in the next class. Thank you all.